So just a quick one on fuel cans today. Expect a lot of you are familiar with these sort of types. The ones with the funnel, where you take that off and then screw that on, and that's how you get your fuel. Not bad. We've got this sort of type. It's got the nozzle in here. Bit of a faff if it's covered in fuel. You have to mess around with that and then put that on, and then ready to go. So they're your common sort of types, cheapish ones. If you're a landscaper or a gardener, I would highly recommend getting some kind of no spill easy pour. These are absolutely brilliant, an absolute game changer. Trust me, when you're filling up multiple times a day, you save so much time. These are the no spill ones. Got a 2.5 gallon and a little one, so a 5 litre and a 10 litre pretty much. But yeah, these are very straightforward. You just literally pop your end cap off and press the trigger at the end. So yeah, price wise with these are going for around £30 to £40. And you'll probably think, no, that's far too much money to spend on a fuel can. But trust me, the actual time it will save you over a year would more than pay for that. Because it's such a faff. When you got to, every time you got to take this nozzle off, or even if you don't use that, you know, you've got to make sure you don't spill it. But these are absolutely brilliant. It's as easy as that. So yeah, I highly recommend spending the money on some kind of system like this anyway. It's a game changer. You'll be far more efficient. So I hope that helps. Smash the like button if it did. Much appreciated. And I'll catch you on the next one.